Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But
this thing is just not staying. Hey besties, I hope your day's been really good and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Mofope. So right now we are in the car on the way to the airport. But anyways, let me give you guys a little info about the flight. So basically the flight is at 11 p.m. No, I think it's 10:50. I'm not sure. I will check my boarding pass. It's not obviously, I'm pretending, but like, yeah. Anyway, I think it's like 10:50, 11, something like that. Well, it's BA, one of the best airlines. I like BA. Well, I think I've just grown up flying BA. Let me give you guys a little outfit of the day. So basically, let's start with my hair. I think I got my hair done last week Saturday. Yeah, and it looks like this. I did not brush it this morning, sadly, but it looks like this. Anyway, so I packed it into, you know, when you put, I don't know what it's called, but when you use the front strands and like tie at the back, not tie, but like I use the hair, this thing, and that's the hair. Then I'm wearing leggings, but you guys can't see that, but I will probably show you guys later. Then I'm wearing this oversized hoodie that looks like this, and it's like big for me and everything. And then yeah, and I think that's all. And then my shoes, I'm not actually wearing them, so I'll just show you guys. I'm wearing these shoes, and then they're actually light up shoes, so you can see it's usually light in the dark, usually light up, so you can see that. Anyway, so like it shows like a bunch of different colors: red, blue, green, I think that was pink, etc. And it goes on and on. And I did not tell you guys the time. Right now it is 5:47 p.m. and we're on the way to airport, but my mom said we may go and eat something first because we both haven't eaten all day. I was just thinking that we should just eat there, if you get the vibe. And those are the boxes over there. There's one green box, one purple box.
calling, oh yeah, be telling. I body your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, oh boy, you make me feel like say, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. It's almost so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep them talking. For your case, I don't mind. Oh, now you blow my mind every time. You and me, no be no my matter. All your exes think say we just got that. You can be calling, yeah, I got you falling. That's not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still when up in the I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. You make what I call you. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
I don't want to speak too loud because I still have like the fear of filming in public. We are in the plane right now, and I am probably just going to like edit and probably read because I just got November 9 by calling Hoover. I may watch something, I may not, I don't really know. But yeah, so we boarded safely and everything. And yeah, I may watch something, I don't know, I'll probably see what they have. And then if it's something I'm interested in, I may watch. But if it's I'm just gonna edit. But like, I may also sleep depending on how I feel, because I like to sleep. If you didn't know, I like to sleep, but for some reason I still sleep late. But then I sleep late, but I end up waking up late. And my mom hates it, right? You hate when I sleep late, sleeping late. Yeah, she really hates it. Anyway, that's my life right now. And today is 29th of July.
Talking every day, I kinda knew it. You know just what to say. Won't overdo it. It's when you're looking my way. You know that I gotta say. You know that I think I met you in another life.
are in the airport waiting for the cab that we called to take us to the place that we're going to be staying. And yeah, and I'm probably going to film a little bit of that, but I don't know how much I'm exactly going to film. But yeah, the flight was good. There was a little bit of turbulence, but it was good. Thank God we got here safely. We've gotten our boxes, no boxes left. Because if you haven't heard, people have been complaining that their boxes have been like being left recently, so they're like trying to look for their boxes. But lucky for us, nothing like that. And yeah, I did have a little situation where I forgot where I put my phone, so we're looking for it, but then I don't remember where I put it. So that was scary. But yeah. I go around, I go around, I go around, and I go around, and I go around. Ever since I was little, I knew what I wanted. I used to see it. I'm in the UK, guys. I always just hear somebody's car. Playing hard to get, got me singing your favorite song. Is it working? Am I closer than my last try? Never thought I would still hold on after all that's been said and done. I go around and I go around and I go around, I go around. I'm always out, I am always out, I am always out, I'm always out. I keep running so I don't have to go with the fact that I think about you so. I go around and I go around and I go around, I go around. Why you making me work so hard? Why you making me play this game? What does your heart say? Is it still beating strong?